Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. Last week in class we were talking about health and illness, and at one stage we were chatting about the degree to which we watch what we eat, how careful we are with the things that we eat. One of my students said that recently she's been trying to cut junk food out of her diet. She's been trying to avoid junk food altogether for health reasons. But, she admitted, every now and then she has an off day, she has a bad day. And she gives in to temptation and ends up in McDonald's ordering a Big Mac and fries. Well, I said, it's only human. Sometimes we all fall off the wagon. If you fall off the wagon, you give in to temptation and you start doing some kind of bad habit that you used to do after a long period of not doing it. Originally, it was connected to drinking. So people who had drink problems would go on the wagon and would basically stop drinking alcohol. If they started drinking again after a long period of not drinking, you might say they were off the wagon or they've fallen off the wagon. More recently, we've started to use it to talk about any kind of bad habit that you resume. So you can fall off the wagon and start smoking again after a long period of not doing so. You can fall off the wagon and start taking drugs again after a long period of not doing so. Or you can fall off the wagon and start overeating again. If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with friends and subscribe to our channel. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of times people you know have fallen off the wagon.